To end the talk, I want to discuss with you an MCQ that details the entire menstrual cycle. All are true regarding folliculogenesis and ovulation except point number 1, follicular development and differentiation takes place in about 85 days. I think we have seen this. Have I had enough of that? Yes. AMH supports monofollicular growth. It does. Yes. First phase of follicular growth is gonadotropin insensitive. As we saw, out of the 85 days, first 70 days are FSH independent. Finally, the fourth point is elevated and static levels of estradiol is essential for ovulation. Yes, we have seen we require estradiol for LH surge to take place and then finally ovulation to take place. Here there was this estrogen rising and then positive feedback mechanism causing LH to rise, which finally leads to ovulation. So all these 4 points seem equally correct, isn't it? Now when you have such a question where all the points seem correct, of course you're left with only one option to read the question again, the options again. Now see, if the statements are correct, there must be one word which is incorrect. Let's see the options again. Follicular development and differentiation takes place in about 85 days, correct enough. AMH supports monofollicular growth. There's nothing to point out in this. First phase of follicular growth is gonadotropin insensitive, simple. Now there is this option which has an additional word, elevated and static. The only thing incorrect in this question is this word static. There was never a point in the cycle when estrogen was static. It rises, falls, gets its second peak, falls, causes, all of this estrogen is playing a very important role by giving feedbacks. So unless you have these changing levels of estrogen, your cycle is not going to operate. Baseline, like if you see a PCO cycle, you have a baseline high level of estrogen, and that is one mechanism why ovulation doesn't take place. Estrogen never peaks, ovulation never takes place. So you require elevated and a dynamic level of estradiol for ovulation. Alright, so the answer is point number 4.